The time between 1950s and 60s, when United States engaged in Cold War with Soviet Union. On October 4, 1957, Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first ever artificial satellite. This surprise success fired fears around the world. The Soviets had total domination over technical power, military power, nuclear power. US President Kennedy claimed, "Our national security is threatened. If Soviets control space, they control the earth. We lose our power." On 25th May 1961, a joint session of Congress, he addressed, "If Soviets launch Sputnik, our nation will be first one to land humans on moon." They set their mission to accomplish. The effort to land man on moon was named Project Apollo. 3 astronauts will be assigned prime crew members. Neil Armstrong, commander of the crew. Michael Collins, command module pilot. Edwin Aldrin, lunar module pilot. Charles Duke, capsule communicator at Mission Control Center, who communicates with the flight crew. The time to launch has come. Astronauts don their spacesuits. Aldrin entered the center coach. Close-out crew seal the hatch. Cabin purged and pressurized. He can see the moon. The countdown became automated at 3 minutes 20 seconds before launch time. Finally, Saturn V AS-506 launched Apollo 11 on July 16, 1969. 1 million spectators watched the launch of Apollo 11. Firstly, Apollo 11 entered a near circular Earth orbit at altitude of 100.4 nautical miles. After 1.5 orbits, second ignition of S-4B engine pushed spacecraft into trajectory towards the moon. After spacecraft reached lunar orbit, Apollo 11 made 10 revolutions of moon before it was time for Armstrong and Aldrin to venture into lunar surface. The lunar module was named Eagle. Nearly 6.5 hours later, Armstrong prepared for his moonwalk. Both Armstrong and Aldrin had highest heart rate moments they were to step on the moon. Armstrong released a camera that captures humanity's very first huge step on moon. With more than 500 million people watching on television, he climbs down the ladder and proclaims, "There's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Yes, they have created history. On July 21, 1969, they have landed on moon. They have planted the flag of United States on moon, a symbolic gesture of national pride in achievement. Through telephone radio transmission, the president spoke to them. For every American, this has to be the proudest day of our lives. Because of what you have done, heavens have been part of man's world. Armstrong very happily replied, "Thank you, Mr. President. It's a great honor and privilege for us to be here representing not only US but men of peace of all nations." After 380,000 kilometers of journey, the crew set foot on moon, walked upon it, installed scientific instruments, took sample, departed to Earth. 3 days after leaving the moon, on July 24, 1969, they splashed down in Earth's oceans, successfully completing their return trip. They have accomplished what was thought impossible. Their dreams have turned into reality. Thank you, Neil Armstrong. Thank you, Edwin Aldrin. Hats off to the entire crew who made it possible.